Things are changing very fast. So according to that, we have to also change in our curriculum, our infrastructure, our pedagogy, learning ability of the students in order to match the demands of the industry in the coming years to come. So this conclave basically aims at bringing together the experts from the industry, academia, people from the government, the academicians, as well as the market also, people involved in the market. And they will sit together and find out what are the possible solutions to be provided and how the pitfalls, existing pitfalls in the system to be rectified. And new systems should develop in order to match the demand of the future. SISSC is as one step forward to Sai International School started a college to impart degree teaching in commerce in the year 2011. And we are with a commitment, we have started the college with a commitment that we will bring a change in the field of commerce education in Orissa and even in the country. In the lines of SRCC, we will be developing, we will trying to develop it to be a center of excellence in commerce education in the coming years. So we really take students beyond classrooms. We stimulate them with the problems of the society, simulate them with the problems of society. We take them to heritage sites, we take them to orphanages, slums, to make them feel about the economic operations and commerce in the grassroots level. So that is our contention. We basically want to make our students more equipped to face the future challenges, to withstand the upheavals they come across with the process of progress. These things, time and again, this conclaves to be organized, and for that I thank this the whole mechanism, whole administration of the Sai Educational Institutes, and they have cooperated and they made it a success. I also thank very much my teachers, the team of teachers. So you might have seen the performances, the noble performances we have seen our students have shown, and I must thank my teachers. They have put their relentless effort to make it, to add colors to this function. Because apart from the academic discussions, this sort of conclaves also need to promote the creative potential among the students. So in that line, we also did a lot, because we have a lot of talented students. So we are able to project them in the platform also, along with this conclave. We have discussed a lot of things where students ventilated about their perception of India in 2022, and in their small perception also, visualization, they extended a lot of suggestions also. That has provided a lot of inputs in our mind to think for the future.